Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Brooks, and today we will be revising some many skills that were taught in language arts. So, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to tell me what these many skills are, their definition, and also you should be able to give me some examples. Okay? Homophones are words that I have my chart here, and I want you to look at my chart, right? So, so homophones are words that sound the same but have different meaning and spellings. Words that sound the same, but they have different meanings and they have different spellings, like W-E-A-K and W-E-E-K, right? They sound the same, but they have different spellings and they have different meaning. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to do my little song and I want you to sing. As soon as you learn the words, I want you to sing along with me. All right? Okay, let's go. Homophones, they sound alike, they sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different meaning. Yes, homophones, they sound alike, they sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different spelling. Homophones, they sound alike, they sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different spellings. So homophones are words that sound alike, but they have different meanings and they have different spellings. Now, I want you to think of some words that are homophones. I want you to make a list of words now that are homophones. Words that sound alike, but they have different meanings and they have different spellings. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to do that. So go ahead. They have different meaning. Yes, homophones, they sound alike, sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different spelling. Homophones, they sound alike, yes, sound alike, yes, sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different spellings. Very good. Now that you have your list, I'm going to show you some pairs of homophones. Okay, so on my chart here, I have he and he. I have tail and tail. I have him, him. Red, red. Blue, blue. Whale, whale. Herd, herd. Here, here. Now, all these words, they are homophones. And these are pairs of homophones. They sound alike, but they are spelled differently and they have different meaning. For example, hey and hey. Hey, Mrs. Green. Hey, Mr. Rock. Hey, Mrs. Weatherspoon. Hey, I'm saying hello. And hey, anyone know that the meaning of that word? It's food for horses. So they sound alike, but look at it. They have different spelling and they have different meaning. Hello, H-E-Y, and hey, food for horses, right? Now, blue and blue. Rosie is wearing a blue sweater. Miss Goodfriend blew her whistle at recess. Same sound, right? They sound alike, but they have different spellings and they have different meanings, right? So I'm going to give you a sentence, or I'm going to give you two sentences with homophones, and you're going to look at how they have different meaning. So, Jamaica is an island that is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea, SEA, sea. And also, I have two eyes that helps me to see, SEE. So you have SEA and you have SEE, see and see. They sound alike, have different spelling, and they have different meaning. But you know what I've discovered today, boys and girls? I have discovered that there are about 7,000 homophones in the English language. Wow, that's a lot, don't? Yeah. Whoa, 7,000? Yes, there are about 7,000 homophones in the English language. So you can go ahead and you can check out some of them. But remember, the list that you have made, I want you to have that list with you, because there will be an activity on the choice board that you will be using those homophones to do. So the list that I asked you to make before in the lesson, you're going to put up that list because you're going to need it to do an activity on the choice board. And also you can go ahead and you can look up some other homophones, some other words that are homophone, and you can also add to that list. Okay? Homophones, they sound alike, they sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different meaning. Yes, homophones, they sound alike, they sound alike. Homophones, they sound alike, but they have different spellings. Okay, and when you finish, you can also send that list to your teacher. As a teacher, love to know that you are doing your work. So when you're finished, you can send that list to your teacher. Okay, boys and girls. So now that we have finished revising homophones, we are going to move on to another mini skills. So guess what? I have just taken this off the stove. I want something to drink. Ooh. Oh, I can't drink this. This is hot. Oh, this is too hot for me to drink. I can't drink this. Let me see. Oh, this is cold, so I can drink this. I was so thirsty. So I had some liquid that was cold and some that was hot. No, hot and cold, they are opposites. Now, what do we call words that are opposites in meaning? Think about it. Yes, words that are opposites in meanings, they are called antonyms. Now, what are antonyms? What are antonyms? Antonyms, look at my anchor chart here, anchor chart. Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. Good. Like hot and cold. They are opposite in meaning. Now, I'm going to play a little game with you. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Tom the cat was big, but Jerry the mouse was small. Yeah, very good. Okay. Riddle me this, riddle me that. If you are brilliant, tell me what? The opposite of bright is dim. Very, very good. Very, very good. So the opposite of bright is dim. So dim, bright, they are opposite in meaning. So they are called antonyms. Very good. Now I have some antonyms here with me. We're going to call them together and then we're going to put them on the anchor chart. All right. So I have here, I have short and I have long. Long. So they are opposite in meaning. So I'm going to go ahead, put them on the chart. Good. I have hot and I have cold. Very good. They are opposite in meaning. So, if the classroom is not clean, the classroom is what? Dirty. So the opposite of clean is dirty. Very good. So I'll put it here on the chart. If I am not in the house, I am where? I am out of the house. All right, so if I'm not in, or if the pencil is not in the box, it is out of the box. Very good. So these words are called antonyms. Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. And I know that there are a lot of antonyms out there. And I know that my third graders, they know a whole lot of antonyms. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to challenge you. So I'm giving you a challenge. If you can come up with 100 antonyms, I want you to send that list to your teacher. So ask mommy, ask daddy, or you can do it on your own. You're going to come up with a list of 100 antonyms, and you're going to send that list to your class teacher. So now, boys and girls, we have revised homophones and antonyms. We have another mini scale that we will also be revising with you. Hey, so I need to tell you about two students in my class. One morning I was in my class at my desk, and one of my students came in and he said, Mrs. Brooks, you look pretty today. Another one was sitting at his desk and he said, no, not pretty, beautiful. So they were there arguing. Oh, it's pretty. No, it's not pretty, it's beautiful. So I said, okay, students, pretty and beautiful, they mean the same. I said, what do you call words that mean the same? I said, okay, they are called synonyms. What are they called? Synonyms. I said, do you know what synonyms are? Oh, miss, we heard the word before, but we don't remember. So I said, okay, synonyms. A synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. So a synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. So pretty and beautiful, they mean the same. And I went on to say there are many synonyms out there. All right, and some examples of synonyms are alike and same, assist, help. If I'm assisting you, I'm helping you. Awful, terrible. If that Students are awful students is a terrible student. Hmm? Or that lady. Child, kid. Begin, start. If I'm going to begin my test, I'm going to start my test. And there are many other synonyms out there, like choose and select, middle and center. Hmm? Can you think of any more? Think about it. So I'm giving you a few seconds to think about it. Oh, yes. Very good. Big and large. Buy and purchase. All these words are called synonyms. And remember that a synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. Good. Now, boys and girls, we have revised homophones, we have revised antonyms, and we have revised synonyms. Remember at the beginning of the lesson, I told you that at the end of the lesson, you should be able to tell me what the many skills are, their definitions, and also examples, right? So remember we have revised homophones and its meaning and examples. Also, we revised antonyms and we have revised synonyms. So now I know that you know what they are, I know that you know their meanings, and I know that you know examples of each. So now, after you are finished revising, I want you to go and do the activity that is assigned to you. So you're going to go on the choice board and there's a super teacher worksheet there with antonym and synonyms, and you're going to go on and you're going to do the assignment that is assigned to you. After you have finished that, you're going to do the next task. You're going to watch a video on BrainPop about prefixes. After watching the video, you'll be doing the test or the quiz after the video. And after you've done that, there's another writing assignment for you to do. After you've completed them all, I want you to send your teacher a picture in Class Dojo to show your teacher that you're working very hard. I know that I really want to see what my children are doing. So please send me a picture of what you're doing. Thank you.